Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change payment method on Simplifi. To change your Simplifi account's payment method, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and log into Simplifi website. Simply go ahead and type in simplifimoney.com in the URL box to end up in the main home page. Also make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are, from the main home page, mouse over to your name at the top right corner and click on My Account. After you're inside this My Account page, go ahead and click on Subscriptions, and then under Subscription, click on Manage Subscription option. To change your payment method, you can first go ahead and remove this current payment method, or simply click on Update Payment and enter the new card information in the text boxes. Type in your card number, the CVV code, the name of the card holder, expiry date and the zip code, and finally after you are done with the payment information, you can click on Save Billing. When you are trying to change your payment method, you can also opt for bank account payment, PayPal, or credit or debit cards. That is how you should be able to change your payment method on Simplifi. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.